today's video, I'm in my mom's office. Tumutulong ako by helping her file things in a folder. So guys, kwentuhan tayo for today about ano nangyari sa parade ko. Yesterday, sa cheer dancing, we did good naman. It doesn't matter kung nagkamali ng konti. Pero at best naman, hindi at least. Champion kami, guys! All that hard work, all that pawis, all that gutom, or all that uhaw, we finally made it worth it kasi nag-champion kami, guys. I'm so happy, guys, talaga.
Did you scream during the announcement?
Of course, alam
Pati mo, I lost my voice. Screaming.
like, guys, nawala ko talaga yung boses ko doon dahil sa pagsisigaw. Pero yung, si teacher talaga, yung nagturo sa amin ng sayaw, pagod na pagod talaga siya, guys. Pero it's worth it kasi champion kami. Meron pa kang umiyak eh. Sa pagod. Kasi the day before the final event, the parade, the day before our finals, hanggang 6 PM kami nag-practice, guys. 8 hanggang 6, guys. Alam niyo ba yun? Like, talaga, worth it talaga. Nag-champion kami, guys. Iyak pa ako pag third place kami or last.
Congratulations, babe.
Thank you. Iyak talaga ako pag hindi kami champion. Or worse, if we were in third place. Kasi because pinaghirapan talaga namin yun, guys. So, malapit na ata akong tapos dito. Ay, hindi pala. Meron pa akong marami. Anyways, guys, that is our vlog for today. That is for our kwentuhan for today. I'm going to continue helping my mom in here. So, see you guys.